Wake up in the light again, like it never really ends. Every shadow that I knew feels like something passing through. There's a rhythm in the air, like it's always been there. Not a signal I receive, but something I believe. Me. And I don't need to understand every grain of where I stand. It's enough to feel it all, even when I start to fall. Slow for me, but it bends so I can see every moment turning wide, like it's opening inside. It's not so far away, not tomorrow, not today. Just a place I'm passing through, but somehow already knew. I made a light I can't contain, running through me like a flame. Every corner of the sky feels like something I could fly. I made a sound I can't define, but it moves me every time. Every galaxy I see feels like it remembers me. I keep moving through the space with a quiet, steady pace. Not arriving, not behind, just existing in the climb.